Guys, welcome to my channel. So for video for today, we go to the market. We go to the market here in the US. Fresh market. Tingnan natin ang fresh market dito sa amin. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. So sige, let's go. Sa go. Ganda dito guys. Ganda dito. Ganda ng place. I've been there before. That's the Rabun mother lives. Yeah. Ganda na si interior dito. See? Ganda talaga niya. Oh my God. Ngayon mga bahay dito guys. Lalo na yan. Ang ganda ng bahay niya. Sana all. Diba? Lilinis pa. Ang lilinis pa ng mga bahay dito. Ganda. Ganda dito guys. Apartment. Nice! Oh my God! Apartment. Nice. Oh, I like there in the so
two doggies.
I want to go there. Deer, what is that there? It's like a